tick.
Woo, yeah, they
We
come.
just gate crashed.
What do you mean?
Okay, cool.
Yeah, they come. Yeah, they come.
Wastie, I must say, we are giving respect to the ponytail, the
That's my
man,
keep
the
calm
man
bun.
ponytail
My
today.
keep calm bun, that's it.
The keep calm bun.
That's a keep
now,
calm
guys,
bun.
talking about keeping calm, okay, we just did some research right here at H&N, and we found out that the world has the most relaxing song in the world. Do you know what it is?
Lewis and Rebecca Black's Friday. No, okay.
This song was actually voted by the British Academy of Sound Therapy as the best relaxing song ever. It's by Marconi Union, and it's called Weightless. They tested about 40 women on it, and they tested their blood, the brain cells, the heartbeat.
40 women?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
40 women.
Okay, no.
Why didn't
I'm
they
just
test
saying,
guys?
the test sample was rather skewed, but that's fine. That's cool. Carry on.
Okay.
No, it's cool. Like, I'm saying it's so cool.
That's right. But basically, it has traces of being the most relaxing song. So
Okay.
we're going to test this out. Everybody, we can just relax. Let's play it and see if it works for us.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, guys, I don't even feel like I can be like, not too loud, Ayanda. What do you guys think?
It's like I'm watching a horror movie. It's like someone's about to do something just like...
That kind of worked for me, though. It made me, like, yeah.
Sorry. what?
It haunts you.
No. It worked for me.
It worked for
worked
you.
for me. It felt like, imagine if you're like still like a baby in your mommy's tummy. Yes. It would sound like that. Like there would be a heartbeat and then like the everything else around you.
What do you feel about it, Carl?
I
don't know,
think
it's
it was
weird,
just,
it's weird.
I don't know why, it just feels like I'm just so calm and relaxed and
Yeah.
just, wow. You even look like...
I mean, my view
think
is
I went into a
different.
trance.
It even makes
Your
it
view is
better.
different.
It's like a horror movie, and this person's coming to just murder you.
Okay,
Now I can see that.
Finally, you watch too much Lisilo. As a child, I watched too much Lisilo.
What do you think about it, my love?
It was calming, yeah.
It was calming. Okay, Wena?
It's relaxing.
Sanophosisa emamona kude.
Ikwenza uphole nge-mind.
Now, something else we heard of was whale sounds, okay? So
Yes.
whale sounds can be quite relaxing as well. So let's take a listen to that. Wow, what a lovely whale sound.
Yes.
That's a
beautiful.
wailing phone, though.
Yeah. Probably Wale's phone. Ooh. Is that Dory?
I think. They sound like they blow
Nah,
through
B,
didgeridoo.
I grew up in a hood. No, guys, it
Yeah.
sounds like a dog, hey? Like screaming, my love. What do you think? Like, it sounds depressing, ne? You don't like it, Wena?
What color?
Sounds like a bar, like a bar.
Like a bell.
A bar.
A bar.
Yeah, bar.
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
It's so funny.
So boring. Okay, guys, we heard that rain on Anvolar can also be very relaxing. So let's take a listen.
Are we still on the bird?
Guys,
It's gonna rain soon, guys. It's raining. It's raining. Oh my word. Where's Rihanna's umbrella now? This works.
guys, I really love the rain sound. It's
You
nice.
know what's the best when you go to a spa and they massage you, and then after the massage they have the rain stick like that?
Yes,
That
it's
normally
really,
sounds like
really
that too.
nice. Okay, I really love
I'm
the
still
rain.
on that note.
Okay, guys, wait. Let us go to our final sound, okay? What do you guys, is this relaxing to you? Because apparently the world thinks this is relaxing.
It is.
Let's hear it.
It's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like
Just
to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much either. Hello.
Hi.
can you hear me?
Is it relaxing? Is it relaxing for you?
I think it is a very relaxing song, I must say.
Until that part.
Yeah, until yes. Then she starts shouting like, whoa, I just answered.
What about you, Katlego?
What about me?
You think it's relaxing?
Essentially, it is. As it starts, you just like completely in and like, hello. You're like, oh, whoa, sorry, I can
Let's
hear
go
you.
to
I can hear
the.
you.
We're now going on. It's a.
What does it make you think of? Wait, put down. Baba, what does it make you think of?
Wanna sleep.
Okay.
On a burr.
Oh man, guys, we're going for a commercial break. When we come back, Katlego's final performance. You do not want to miss it.
Woo!